All right, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit about this headlamp from Amazon. For 20 bucks, you get 2 of them. So I have it on right now, and there's a function that all you have to do is wave your hand in front of it, and it goes on and off. So I think that's pretty cool. There's, let's see, and then, all right, so then there's a flashing option, but that's the brightest one. Again, wave your hand. Oh, the one doesn't work on that one. Uh-oh, what happened here?
You have to turn it all the way off because now it's manual.
Is that how it works? Now what?
Now turn it on and now do it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So there's a manual one.
Hold on. Holy cow, something went in my shirt.
Something wearing your shirt.
I'm turning my light off. No, that's not gonna work. Holy cow. Whew.
Did it come out?
Yeah. Dude, you have to hurry up.
Alright, well, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Bugs are flying in my son's face. I'm gonna leave my light on, and I think it's a good deal. This is our second night in a row using them, and we're happy so far, so let's catch some fish.